Are you tired of learning English for months and still not speaking fluently? Do you feel stuck, confused, and frustrated every time you try to speak? In 2025, the way people learn English has completely changed. And in this video, I will show you the most powerful and proven tips that will help you learn English faster than ever before. These are the same techniques used by top learners around the world. So if you are serious about learning English, do not miss a single second. Tip 1. Set a clear English goal before you start learning English. You need to ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it is for a job interview. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to study abroad. Having a clear reason will give you purpose and direction. When you know your goal, you stay focused and motivated. Write down your goal on a paper or your phone and look at it every day. This will remind you why you are learning and keep you on track. Tip 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is the most important part of learning any language. Many learners wait until they feel perfect before speaking, but this is a mistake. You must start speaking from day one. Speak with yourself in the mirror. Describe the things you see around you. Talk about your daily routine in English. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Record your voice and listen to how you sound. This helps you understand your pronunciation and improve it. Tip 3. Think in English. One secret of fluent English speakers is that they think in English. Do not translate sentences from your native language into English. This slows you down and makes you confused. Start small. When you are walking, look around and name things in English. For example, say tree, car, sky. When you feel something, think in English like I am tired or I am happy. This helps you build the habit of using English naturally in your mind. It makes your speaking faster and smoother. Tip 4. Watch English videos with subtitles. Watching English videos is one of the easiest ways to learn use English. Subtitles to help you understand. You can watch movies, YouTube videos, shows, or even cartoons. Choose content that you enjoy so it does not feel like studying. As you watch, try to repeat the sentences out loud. This improves your pronunciation and listening skills. Pause the video, repeat what the person said, and try to copy their tone. It is like having a free speaking lesson at home. Tip 5. Use the 10-minute rule. Many people think they need to study for hours every day, but that is not true. Even 10 minutes a day is enough if you are consistent. Make English a daily habit. You can learn new words, practice speaking, or listen to English for just 10 minutes. Do it every day. Small actions every day bring big results over time. It is better to study a little every day.